Namaste everyone, how are you doing? This is Shafali and I really hope all of you are taking good care of yourselves. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on a vitamin C serum from Regal Essence. As usual, my review is going to be short and crisp and I'll try to cut it off as soon as possible. I'll just give you a gist as to how I found this product and my experience in the past 20 days with this product. Let me tell you, this has 20% of vitamin C, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. This comes in a glass bottle like this. Packaging wise, it's not bad at all. In fact, I would say all serums should come in a glass bottle or jar. You would really not need a dropper with this bottle because it has a nozzle and you can directly put this on your face like this. I'll delve into its good parts first. To begin with, it absorbs almost immediately into your skin as soon as you apply it. It's not sticky at all. Consistency wise, it's pretty runny. This is non-greasy, has glycerin and grapeseed extract as well. Does not have an irritating smell, is best suited for oily skin. Now coming to its drawbacks. So I have been using it for good 20 days, but it did not do any wonders to my skin. Prior to this, I have reviewed Vamore's vitamin C serum and also Lotus Organics serum. Both were excellent. In fact, Vamore serum is something which I continue to use till date because it is affordable and it's best suited for dry and combination skin. However, I did not see any such change on my skin after applying this serum.
Priced at ₹599, I got it at discounted rate of $299 from Amazon at a lightning deal. Price is not high though, but it's just not worth it. That's what I felt. Little disappointed with the fragrance also.
Dry often. Although this has surprisingly high hyaluronic acid, but still you can feel the itchiness in your skin after applying it. I did apply Lotus Organics serum. It did not have hyaluronic acid, but still it kept my skin protected throughout the day and give moisture protection also. It did not work on my pimple blemishes also. As you can see, I do have pimple marks. I would apply it every day, but it did not reduce them to 1%. Considering it has hyaluronic acid and glycerin, I was expecting it to be little more moisturized. However, it did not give me the results I was expecting from it. But obviously the review differs from person to person. I had read a lot of reviews and then only made my buy. But that's another thing, I did not find it up to the mark. And I'm sure it would do good to people who have oily skin, and some other people who have dry skin might have found it good. Probably it's just the case with my skin. For me, it's a total waste. Generally, I do not put across reviews which are not good and the products which I did not find good at all. However, I wanted to bring it across because I had read a lot of reviews and some were bad though, some were good also. So I wanted to make my point also. Whenever you are buying a product, you are putting your hard-earned money into it. So it is always better to ponder upon the opinions of others who have already used the product. So this is all from me today. I will not stretch this video unnecessarily. I have more or less said what I had to. I always try to keep my videos as short as possible. If you really liked watching this video, please do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned because there are going to be a lot more reviews and fun on this channel. Keep smiling, stay beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.